Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to make investment for beginners. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. High-yield financial savings debts. This may be one of the only methods to enhance the go-back for your cash above what your income's in a regular checking account. High-yield financial savings debts, that are regularly opened through a web bank, have a tendency to pay better hobby on common than well-known financial savings bills, whilst nonetheless giving clients everyday get entry to their cash. This may be an exquisite area to park cash you're saving for a buy with inside the subsequent couple years, or simply maintaining in case of an emergency. 2. Certificates of Deposit, CDS. CDS are every other manner to earn extra hobby for your financial savings. However, they may tie up your cash for longer than a high-yield financial savings account. You can buy a CD for unique time durations along with 6 months, 12 months, or maybe 5 years. However, you commonly can't get entry to the cash earlier than the CD matures without paying a penalty. These are taken into consideration extraordinarily secure, and in case you buy one via a federally insured bank, you're protected up to $250,000 consistent with depositor, in step with possession category. 3. 401k or every other place of work retirement plan. This may be one of the most effective methods to get began out in making an investment and springs with a few principal incentives that would advantage you presently and with inside the future. Most employers provide to fit a part of what you settle to keep for retirement from your everyday paycheck. If your corporation gives are in shape and also you don't take part with inside the plan, you're turning down loose cash. In a conventional 401k, the contributions are made previous to being taxed and develop tax loose till retirement age. Some employers provide Roth 401ks, which permit contributions to be made after taxes. If you pick this option, you won't pay taxes on withdrawals at some stage in retirement. These place-of-job retirement plans are tremendous financial savings equipment due to the fact they're automated as soon as you've made your preliminary selections, and let you constantly make investments over time. Often, you may even pick to put money into Gold 8 Mutual Budget, which manipulate their portfolios primarily based totally on a selected retirement date. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.